Hello everyone. On this video, we will be learning about area and circumference of circle and sectors. Firstly, we need to have a clear idea about the lines that are related to a circle. A line from center to the circumference is called a radius. And a line from circumference to circumference through the center is called as the diameter. So by looking at a diameter, you can understand a diameter includes two radius. So therefore we can write it as d equals 2r. Now let's see the equations related to the area and circumference of a circle. Area of a circle equals to pi r square and circumference of a circle equals to 2 pi r. So these are the two main equations with respect to circle. This is pi r squared for the area of the circle and then 2 pi r, that is the circumference of a circle. And the value of pi you see here can be taken as 22/7 or 3.142. So you can substitute one of this value to pi when you do calculations. So let's see how to use these equations and find the area and circumference of a circle. So I'll draw a circle with radius 7 centimeter. The area of this circle is, the equation we know, that is pi r squared, so that will be equal to pi, I'll substitute 22/7 into r squared means r multiplied by r. So the radius in this question is 7, so this will be 7 multiplied by 7. So when you simplify this, pi r squared, that is 22 into 7, will be equal to 154, and since it is area, the unit will be centimeter square, and the circumference of the circle will be 2 pi r. So when we substitute the value of 2 and then pi, that is 22/7, and here it's just r, so that is 7. 7 and 7 will get cancelled, so 2 into 22, that is 44 centimeter. So circumference is actually the length of the circle. So for the length, the unit will be same, the centimeter. And the area represents the space here. So that is equals to 154 centimeter square. Now let's see how to find the area and the arc length of a sector. Basically, a sector is a part of circle. When you take a circle like this, sector is a part of it. So we know this is the radius and this is also the radius, while this is the center. And when we take this sector alone, we get a shape like this. So this is the radius and this is the area. So to find the area of the sector, we need to know the angle of this sector. And the equation to find the area of this sector is theta over 360 pi into r square. So this is the equation which we use to find the area of the circle. So here for a sector, what additionally included is this theta over 360. This is because this is a part of the circle. So theta means the angle with respect to the sector and compared to the whole circle, that is 360 degrees. And similarly the arc length. So what is an arc length? When it's a whole circle, we call it as a circumference. But when it is a sector, the part of the circle which is called as the arc length. To find the length of the arc, we can use the equation arc length equal theta over 360 2 pi r. And we know pi is equals to 22/7 and r is the radius of the sector and theta is the angle of the sector. let's see how to use these formulas and find the area and the arc length of a sector. Let's take a sector with angle 60 degrees and radius 14 centimeter. The area will be equals to theta over 360, that is 60 over 360 into pi, so that will be 22 over 7 into radius r, that is 14, so that will be 14 multiplied by 14. So now you can simplify this and get the answer. So 61, 360 we have 6 and 1 here, 2 here, and also you can simplify 1 here and 3 here. This will be equals to 22 into 14 divided by 3, which is equal to 102.67 centimeter square. Now let's see how to find the arc length, that is this length of this sector. So arc length is equals to theta over 360, that is 60 over 360 into 2 into pi, that is 22 over 7, and into r, that is 14. Now we can simplify this and find the arc length of this sector. Again 1 here, 6 here, and 1 here, 2 here, so 1 here, 3 here. So this will be equals to 44 over 3, that is 14.67 centimeter. Apart from area and arc length, what you can additionally find in the sector is the perimeter. So perimeter means the sum of all sides. The sector is bounded by 2 radius and the arc length. So the perimeter will be equals to 14 plus 14 plus, and this arc length we just found, that is 14.67. So this will be equals to 42.67 centimeter. So hope you all understood how to find the area and circumference of a circle, and then how to find the area and arc length of a sector, and also how to use the arc length and find the perimeter of a sector.